Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix lagging after iOS 26 update. For example, if you feel your iPhone lags too much after you have installed the iOS 26 on your iPhone, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone, because sometimes if your iPhone has less storage, then that's why it uses more storage to run the apps, so that's why it lags behind. But if your iPhone was working very well before iOS 26 update, then what you have to do next is you have to simply try to downgrade your iOS 26 to iOS 18 if you are using the beta version of the iOS 26. But if you have installed the latest iOS 26 official download, then you have to simply wait for the next update so that this lag can overcome. So because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version of iOS, so you have to wait for next update. But moreover, you can also join the Apple discussion and you have to ask the people whether they are having the same problem or not. If the problem is by the many iPhone users, then you have to wait for the next update. But if is the problem is from your side only, then you have to try to change your iPhone, or you have to simply upgrade your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to setting, and here you have to check whether new update has come or not, and which means you have to upgrade your iPhone to latest iOS 26, and after that your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.